proudly brings to you is Jimmy Shootron's weekly pickups of the world. Yo, listen, we back. Now, I know. Damn, Colin, where you been at, Sean? Where you been at? Have you been copping? What happened? You fell off? Never worry. We had the pandemic hit, but I'm not gonna lie, that shit turned to a pandemic for a lot of people. A lot of opportunities were coming in that weren't even available before. A lot of digital ones, investment opportunities, etc., etc. So, which of course only feeds the beast and feeds the habit. But we're gonna get right into it, because I know y'all like, yo, I know he been sitting on some woo-woo. So I'm gonna take y'all through everything I cop. I'm not gonna put it all in one video. I'm not gonna put it all in one video so we can be here forever. But since this is the return video, this will be a straight sample and PE haul. That's it. So that's what this video is. My biggest sample and PE haul since I've been gone. The comeback video. We're gonna get right into it. Starting off, let's talk about it. Alright? These are the Denver promo sample Friends and Family All-Star Air Force One 2005. The Friends and Family pair. Insane. Insanity. This was the promo pair. What a time. You see that? Been looking for these for a long minute. Glad I finally got them. I put on my jewelry just to go to the bodega. Ha! Bodega Nike Dunk Highs, the Friends and Family version. So, funny story about this. So shout out to Bodega, shout out to my man Brett and all that. I hit them up, I'm like, yo, the joints are crazy. And I've always had a relationship with Bodega. Every time I go to Boston, I make sure I stop by. I'm like, you know me, I'm just trying to cop. I'm like, yo, man, Bodega Dunks, I need them. Cool, Quan, I got you. You been, we fucked with you heavy, and vice versa. They're like, yo, let me know your size and where to send it. I'm opening it. I'm thinking I'm about to see the brown pair, and they send me the exclusive Friends and Family pair. Insane. Shout out to Bodega. Again, shout out to the Bean and all that. Whew. Which pair y'all like better? Y'all like this Friends and Family pair, or do y'all like the retail pair? This pair. Y'all like that pair better? I'm not saying it just because I got them. I originally liked this pair better anyway, and so yeah, I do like this pair better though. Cleaner. Fire. Bodega. Speaking of Friends and Family, so fly. Friends and Family Jordan 10s. For the anniversary joints. Damn. I believe this is for their 10-year anniversary, I believe, right? Yeah. Nice. Inspired by our amazing run. 10 years. So shout out to Soulfly. Congratulations on that 10-year run. Boom. Y'all know the retail pair for this, right? This one. Yeah, they look like the Lennon 10s. They look very similar, right? See? But this was the one that wasn't released. If y'all thought I was gonna come back and give y'all a video of some, oh yeah, nah, we seen those some bullshits. Nah, the comeback video gotta be crazy. One of my favorite sneakers of all time. I know I say that a lot because I got a lot of favorite sneakers of all time, but these are one of my favorites, especially if this silhouette, the Air Max 180. Can we talk to them? Woo! 10 of 140. Do y'all know what y'all looking at? Do y'all know? You see that? Right there. Boom. These are the Soul Collector 180s. Air Max 180s. And I believe it's supposed to be like, oh, yo, I never noticed that. Look at I never noticed there was a star on the toe. See it? Oh, shit. They actually come with a dust bag. As a matter of fact, hold up. There we go. They actually come with this ill individually designed dust bag. See that? Ooh. Cowboy Special 2006. Woo! Shout out to Soul Collector, man. Y'all, Soul Collector had the collabs with crazy. Boom. So I believe it's supposed to be something about a gator, like just the color of an alligator. The pink's supposed to be the tongue of the alligator, something like that. But yeah, they're all individually numbered. Fire. So crazy. Again, moving on. We're gonna keep it going as we always do about this time. Underrated. Jordan 15. These are the pine green Jordan 15s. Now, for a lot of people who haven't seen these, some people have not. Let me explain to y'all what these are. They were made for college teams. So they're called TB, which is Team Bank. Alright? They made white and purple. They made white and red, which I have those. I saw those on one of my weekly pickups before. If you haven't, spin a block and go watch it. They have white and black. They got white and green, white and navy blue. Now, some people try to throw in the white and Carolinas in there and call those the Tar Heels, but no, they're obviously retail shoes. They were not East Bay exclusive at all. But still, fire. Probably the most underrated Jordan of all time. Even over the twos, possibly. You know what? Nah. I'm gonna say the twos are the most underrated. You know what? We can have that conversation in a minute. Hold on. Quack, quack. If not, my favorite Oregon of all time. The Oregon 4s. These are by far my favorite Oregon PE. There you go. Just so you know, make sure we got the nice color on there, because you know a lot of people got the fake pairs with the super duper duper green. I mean, no. We know. This is another cop that I did, that I had, that I love. My favorite Oregon PE of all time, the Oregon Duck PE 4s. I'm bringing sexy back. Ho! Justin Timberlake. When he went on tour with Jigga, y'all saw me with the ones, but Justin Timberlake, Legends of the Summer Tour, the suit and tie. This one got the tie insole and the other foot has the suit. Now, I wanted to save that conversation about the most underrated Jordan silhouette. Now, I'm going to go with the 2s actually over the 15s. I'm going to go with the 2s over the 15s. I mean, we know the off-white joints are coming out now, so people going to be beef riding and, oh yeah, I've been like 2s, son. Yeah, right. But here's the reason why I say the 2s are the more. Can't be the fire. First of all, the fact that it's a iller silhouette, it's just a more fire silhouette regardless. Anyway, so it should be super lit. But the fact it came out in the 80s, the 1s are so popular now, right? Jordan 1s. 3s are popular. See, 2s is like that middle child that gets no love. And it's crazy because at one point Jordan 3s were the biggest and best and illest, everybody's favorite. And now the 1s are. But you know, for this to come out in the 80s, even 4s came out in 89, 1 through 4, all in the 80s. This was the second installment. So you would wonder, like, why isn't this one as lit as the ones before and even the ones after? I mean, so a lot of people say it's because Jordan got injured, so he didn't play in them as much. But I mean, we all like Jordans regardless of him playing in them, because as a kid, especially the younger ones, the older ones that was a kid back then watching ball, we knew Jordans were lit because the hood was wearing them. Your older brother, your older sister, your cousin, the block, the dope boys, whatever. That is why I think this silhouette is probably the most underrated Jordan silhouette of all time, because of the time it came out with everything else that was, and it's still super lit, and this one still gets no love. But it's definitely, I love 2s a lot, and this is one of my favorite Jordan 2s of all time. Justin Timberlake, boom, fire. Look at the details on the joint. Look at that textile material, reptile, whatever it is, snake. I don't know what it is, but you see it. You got the patent leather here, white tongue, white leather sock liner, translucent red mix outsole. Another cop. I told you, I'm not coming back to play. Not like I'm gonna come back here and show y'all some, oh yeah, I just got the new dunks. Nah. The comeback gotta be crazy. And every video after is still gonna be crazy. Cause you know how I do. See you when see. Keep it going. I'm not done. Oh, baby, the one I got for y'all right now. Literally, one of my favorites out of this whole sample PE haul. Shit! The JBC Jordan 9s. Jordan brand classics. These were a promo sample. They were supposed to come out, but the Jordan, not come out like for the public, but mean, for the promo run for the JBC, but obviously COVID stopped all that. But it didn't stop the production of the shoes. So, shout out to all the players in the Jordan Brand Classics who did get these, and coaches or whoever gave them. These are, nah, son. Nah, look at that. Look at the midsole. Look at the midsole. Sorry what announcers. Look at that. Look at the flying motion. Oh, look how that shit turned like a chameleon. That's sick. And then a right amount of pink. Yeah. So this is definitely one of my favorite ones in the whole sample PE haul. JBC Jordan 9s, Jordan Brand Classics. Nice. This might creep up to Olive 9s. Hold on. Because you OG, I'ma still give you, the nod. But this would have crept up to my favorite 9 of all time. But I'ma still just make this number 2. Number 2, the Olive 9 will still be my favorite 9s of all time. I know you're like, damn, Con, can you get any crazier? A lot of that shit we never seen. A lot of that shit super grails. Yes, I can get crazy. And I will. Coming up. You know what this is. Obviously you know what this is. Look at, son, first of all, look at the material here. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Stingray. Stingray. Croc. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me show you this right here. Yeah. So obviously you know what this is now. Florida Gator. The University of Florida Gator PE Jordan 1s made for the football team. I actually got these from my dudes who they actually go to UF and they are part of all of that. So you know, let me not even say, because I don't know if this is even allowed. But yeah, you see it. University of Florida Gator Jordan 1 PEs. Brandon on the tongue, crazy. Fire. Y'all think I'm finished? I'm not. Crazy grill. For me, and a lot of people. If you are into Uptowns, aka Air Force Ones, if you're into that, this is a grill for you. I don't care who you are, where you are. And if you've never seen them because you're younger and don't know about them, they're gonna be a grill for you now. Who can guess what it is? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Entourage Air Force Ones does not get any mother crazier than this. Alright? Though I'm actually mad that the light is so bright because this color is not this light. It's some real Carolina blue. Look at that. Look at the. You can't fake these, baby. You cannot fake these. Look at that lasering on there. Look at that. So these only came out at Undefeated. These are for the TV show Entourage. Part of the lasers. Look at the Undefeated laser on the top. Damn, this shit's crazy. So this is definitely a top 5 Air Force One of all time for me, and I finally got it, and I'm happy. Like I said, the light is so bright. I mean, I actually wish y'all could see just how Carolina blue this joint is, because the light just makes it all. I mean, whatever. But you know, Entourage Air Force Ones, turtle. Patent leather check. Woo! Let's just keep it going. No more talking. Bam! Yes. What the fuck is that? Yeah. I know. Rainbow pack. Probably the most elusive, exclusive, expensive sample pack there is. The rainbow pack. Alright? This is for people who know, like I had the Rainbow 15s in the video before. Again, if you haven't seen it, spin a block, go watch it. These are the Rainbow 12s. Alright, so whoever doesn't know about the Rainbow Pack, it was also done by Mark Smith, who also does the laser Jordans and laser Air Force Ones, like the Entourages I just showed you. Alright, he did the Rainbow Pack where the 1s and 2s were like a reddish color, 3s and 4s were orangish colored, 5s and 6s were lighter orange, and so on and so forth. I mean, the colors just kept graduating in different hues and tints. So the 11s and 12s are the same color, and it's this green, and this I finally got, and it doesn't get red in this, to be honest. Like, that shit, it's like a Sprite can, but oh my goodness. So I cannot wait to wear these at all. Yo, I even like, and you know, you always know that sample sock liner that, yeah, I mean, yo, I cannot really wait to wear these. I want to wear them, and kids be like, Fakes. Look at his fakes. Kid, tell your father to work a couple more, overtime shifts, and he could probably get a lace, alright? But regardless. Rainbow 12, man. Rainbow 12. If anybody who knows or anybody who has, I am looking for the Rainbow 5s. I can get the 9s. I want the Rainbow 11s, 13s, 14s. I got 15s and 16s. I know somebody with the 16s. Supposed to sell them to me. He hasn't yet. Is he? Who knows? But again, still, before I leave, I just had to show y'all this. And I said before I leave, psych! You must be out your damn mind. I lied. There is one more I gotta show you. And the story is crazy how I got it. The number one probably Nike grill of all time. The Air Max. Y'all thought I was going to come back and have a comeback video. A comeback video. And not have something crazy to show y'all? Huh? Is that it? Y'all didn't think that. Y'all did not think that at all. Nah. So, let me explain how I got this. Y'all can lose your eye. Yo, I can't even believe I got this. That's crazy. Fuck. Damn, I'm actually still in shock. Yo, I can't believe, yo, I'm now really taking it in. Pause. Yo, this is crazy. Do you know how long and how bad I wanted this shoe and actually got it for my birthday? Just in time. Let me explain how I got it. The craziest story you'll ever hear in your life. Shout out to my man AJ too, because he plugged me in with the Vault. Shout out to the Vault out of Tampa, Vault 813. There's a card game called Gut that Hitman Holler taught us on the Wild 'N Out bus. Right? So, it's kind of like 2-card poker is what people explain. I don't know poker, but I know this game. I don't have time to explain the game, but it's the illest game ever. It's basically kind of like the highest 2 cards win. But it's a bluffing game, and the pot can just go up and up so fast. You can make tons of money fast, but lose a lot fast. And only one person wins. So everybody who actually bet has to cover that pot. Alright, we played Gut. We played a card game. Gut at the Sneaker Traveler. Shout out to the Sneaker Traveler. Sneaker Traveler's event for those shoes. That's what crazy. I lost. Sneaker gods had called. We worked something out. Ended up going to the store. Yo, listen, man, it's my birthday. We do this. Boom, boom. And it ended up working. And me and him, we worked that's my dude. We worked out something crazy. I couldn't believe that I got these for my birthday in time. With like the way everything worked out, it was just insane. So it was the best birthday for me ever. So thank you to Vault 813 for that. Shout out to my man AJ. Shout out to the Sneaker Traveler. Shout out to y'all for watching. That was my comeback weekly pickup video. I shall be back with some more for y'all because I caught so many. This is just part 1 of the return. So like, comment, subscribe. You already know what it is. See you when see cut the beat. Huh?